Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at the market. A lot of people are thinking that right now, the market recession or correction is over and we don't have anything to worry about, but there's some things that we need to know. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading and swing trading in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you how to find undervalued stocks, our strategies, our approach, and we have an awesome sale for 51% off using code TRADER. So click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this here. So over the past couple of months, we've just seen extreme sell-off from all the indexes, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ actually crossed over into correction territory. We saw the Dow Jones sell off. Every index you can think of has seen selling pressure. So now here, as we look at the market here, we're actually starting to see a little turnaround where we're getting a little move going in this direction. Now, a lot of investors are actually very happy because we had this just happen the other day, which is called a golden cross with the MACD indicator. This is a very, very bullish thing for the stock market to do. And the reason I say that here is when you have this orange line break up through the MAC line, which is that blue line, history tells us that when it does that here, we can even see it in here. When it breaks up, it's followed by great buying pressure. Previous to that, back in here, popped up, followed by great buying pressure. Previous to that was back in here, it popped up, followed by great buying pressure. So this indicator helps a lot of investors, hedge funds, analysts get a general gauge of where to enter for the market here. And this is a bullish thing, but I want to be completely upfront about this, guys, is the correction still could be taking place. Now, right now, we're just seeing a lot of volatility due to President Trump's administration talking about tariffs and what that could entail for the U.S. economy. But honestly, here's the thing that what I think: sell off. Should you be scared? Absolutely not. Over the past couple of weeks, we've taken a huge amount of opportunity. We've taken trades on Meta. We're up on this trade almost $2,000. Up on Vanguard, S&P 500, up about $1,200. QQQ, another $900. Visa. Now you're saying, Carter, well, how do I know when to enter? Well, with like Meta here, stock has that beautiful upward trend, sold off down to that 200-day moving average line, which is that red line. Then we also had that very bullish thing, which is that MACD crossover. But more importantly, this huge trend line breakout, you guys can see this general downward trend in price, found heavy support down here near and around the 570 mark, and popped up above it. Now, our average cost, we did not get in at 574. Our average cost like 579, which is still very, very low, and the stock is squeezed up. So we're already breaking out of the trends. But I think that right now, we still have a little bit of ways to go. More information about tariffs is coming out later this month and earlier next month. So the biggest things right now that I would recommend is to take advantage of sell-off. Don't be fearful, right? If next month rolls around and we get more sell-off, take advantage of that. Hop in on the trades. If you guys get scared, I want to show you guys this here. One last thing before I leave you guys is this. This is the S&P 500 ETF VOO, VOO. Now, looking at this, let's remove the MACD line and all this stuff here. So this right here is the sell-off we've experienced. And during this time here, we've seen media outlets go, oh my God, the stock market's never going to recover. Get ready for a crash. But as we zoom out, what happens to this is you start realizing, well, sell-off is normal, right? Sell-off is healthy. And the reason I say it's healthy is because imagine you guys are running full speed for a whole year, 2 years. Eventually, you're going to want to slow down and get a drink of water. Sometimes that's what the stock market needs to do, is slow down and kind of realize any stocks that are overvalued will get more sell-off. It just helps out with bubbles. It helps out with corrections, and it's normal and healthy. So guys, for me, we're taking advantage of this sell-off. If you guys want to learn more about how to navigate trading during this time, check out our school. But for me, it's taking advantage of the sell-off, hopping in on blue chip, well-established companies with great fundamentals, and hopping in on fantastic ETFs like VOO, like QQQ. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this, but The biggest thing is to not be fearful. And yes, we could see a correction continuing to come later this month. So just be cautious, take profit early, stop loss early, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys. Take care.